Hello my dear students. In this video we are going to consider one more board paper, that is 2020 from the chapter of Fundamental of Partnership. Now in this year ultimately the problem came related to missing capital, that is opening capital it was missing. So we have to know calculation of interest on capital when the opening capital is missing. So when opening capital is missing, that time closing capital provided, net profit provided, drawing provided. So we have to go a reverse way. Like generally we do opening capital add net profit less drawing. So when opening capital is missing, that time we have to consider closing capital add drawing less net profit. Just opposite. When you find closing capital, that time opening capital plus net profit minus drawing. Now this time it will be just reverse. Closing capital, net profit, that time it was plus, now it will be minus. Drawing, that time minus, this time it will be add. So this is the way to calculate opening capital when opening capital is missing. So this is the problem. Here there are two partners you can see, and their closing capital ultimately provided in this question. So the capital of Alka and Archana showed a credit balance of rupees 4 lakh and 3 lakh respectively after taking to the account or what accounts like drawings and net profit. Net profit was 2 lakh. Net profit was 2 lakh. And the drawing of the partner during the year 2018 and 19, whereas first partner withdrew 10,000 at the end of each quarterly basis withdrawn. So we know that is the 4th quarter in a year, so we have to multiply by 4. So we can find out first partner total drawing, that is 10,000 into 4, 40,000 first partner drawing, and second partner drawing at random basis, like first 8,000, then 7,000, then 5,000. So if you add total, we will get the total drawing 8 plus 7 15 plus 5 20,000. So we will calculate the total drawing, and after that we will show the adjustment with that. This is our adjustment table to find out the opening capital. The closing capital, it was provided like first partner 4 lakh, second partner 3 lakh, add drawings 40,000 and 20,000 less net profit 1 lakh. Easily you can find out the opening capital. Afterward you can find out interest on capital. Generally when you find the interest on capital and the capital should be opening, if sometimes it's missing opening capital, so this is the way to calculate closing capital add drawing less profit, just opposite. Normally what we do, opening capital add profit less drawing, afterward we can find out closing capital. But in this cases we have to do opposite, closing provided, drawing provided, and profit provided. Or another way you can think like taking the x also you can do here, like let me the opening capital is x, so therefore opening capital is x plus profit minus drawing equals to closing capital. That way also you can find out the same figure will come anyway. But this is the easy method in accounts we can use like that way, just reverse closing add drawing less profit. We'll get the opening capital 3 lakh 40, 2 lakh 20. Afterward we will calculate 10% interest on capital thereupon. 3 lakh 40 into 10%, 34,000 and 22,000. So that way we have to calculate interest on capital when opening capital is missing. Now after that we have to find out also interest on drawing also. So in this problem, like there are closing capital 4 lakh 3 lakh 20,000 net profit, as well as drawing 10,000 as well as 20,000. 10,000 is per quarter, so total it is coming 40,000. Now here you have to calculate interest on capital. So we calculated opening capital, also we calculate interest on capital. Now we have to calculate interest on drawing taking 6% rate. So this one is very easy, like easily you can calculate interest on drawing when it is quarterly basis, and the end of each quarter we know there are 3 ways to withdraw the amount of drawing on quarterly basis: beginning, middle, and end. When it is beginning, that is 7.5 months. When it is middle, that is 6 months. When it is quarter, end, that time it is 4.5 months. And which way you can calculate, that is first drawing plus last drawing divided by 2 on average basis. Automatically the time will come like 7.5 months, as well as 6 months, as well as 4.5 months. So at the time of showing the details about related to that interest on drawing, that time it is shown how it came, ultimately the timing. So if required, that initial video again learner can watch to find out the timing in case of quarterly basis. And the second partner we do, that is at random basis. So at random basis we will apply the product method. So let's see how the solution is there. This one, that is interest on drawing, that is first partner, that is very simple, 40,000 rate 6% and 4.5 month, as it is end of quarter. If it is beginning of quarter, that time it will be 7.5 month, and after calculation you got 900. Exactly the second partner, like Archana withdraw at random basis. Once first withdraw, it is 31st May 2018. Second drawing, that is 1st November 2018. Third drawing, that is 1st February 2019. And the year going to close 31st March 2019. So on that basis, the time from the date of drawing to the closing date, we have to calculate how many months left here. The first drawing 31st May 2018, so we have to leave the May. We'll calculate from June to March, it is coming 10 months. Or another way, like April, May, you cancel 12 minus 2, that is 10 month coming here. Again another drawing, that is 1st November. So November to March you have to calculate November, December, and here this side 3 months. Next drawing, that is 1st February. So you have to consider February also. 1st February and March, 2 months. So that is the number of months from the date of drawing to the closing of the year. After that, this is the amount of withdrawal. Now you have to find out the product, which you calculate the product amount of drawing into number of months. 8,000 into 10, 80,000. 7,000 into 5, 35,000. 5,000 into 10,000. Total product 80 plus 10, 90 plus 35, 1,25,000. So after getting the total product, just you have to use the formula to calculate interest on drawing. Total product into rate into 1 by 12. Easily you can calculate 1,25,000 total product, rate 6% into 1 by 12. This amount came here 625. So this is the way, like we have the idea, we know how to calculate interest on drawing on like different method. Like once I will recapitulate again that thing for remembering that situation. One is a monthly basis, another it is quarterly basis, another it is half yearly basis, yearly basis, and last one that is at random. So in this question, like in the year 2020, came related to one is quarterly basis, that is end of each quarter, another it is random basis. First partner with the quarterly basis at end of each quarter, and second partner with the, that is a random basis. But related to interest on capital, like this time new have a problem, that is calculation of opening capital, which I have to know how to calculate. Like if it is interest on capital as well as like interest on drawing also is there, the same way the same treatment is there. Just the simple process we have to remember, that opening capital, add net profit, add interest on capital, less drawing, less interest on drawing. And the simple process is which one add. Now when it's closing, just we have to make opposite. Easily you can calculate the opening capital. So this is the solution, and we have learned how to find out the opening capital as well as their interest on capital. So this type of problem may can come. Learner are requested to watch the video carefully and then try by themselves to learn more clearly. Okay, we are going to conclude this video. Thank you and God bless.